Hey guys, welcome to Fun Brother, and today we go outside and I'm going to have a quick testing video about the new flagship model from Vivo. So this is the Vivo X200 Ultra, a super powerful flagship model with amazing camera specifications that can compare with the DSLR. And also this time the Vivo worked with Zeiss to provide this super camera phone, and this is the appearance of the phone. And today we have the red color, and we can wake up, go to the front side wake up screen. It's time to have a 6.82 inch 2K AMOLED micro curved screen and 4 size, same bezel, and it's port automatically refresh rate adjustment, maximum 120 Hz, and peak brightness reach to 2000 nits. And here are more specification about the device. Processor Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and support 4K recording and high gaming FPS. 6GB RAM plus 60 retro RAM, 1TB ROM, 6000 big battery with 90-watt cable fast charging and 40-watt wireless fast charging. And it's powered by original OS and Android 14 with blue image dual chips. And also we go to the display to check the screen. And this time for the screen display resolution 1440 by 3168 and higher 100 Hz refresh rate. For this device, flagship device mentions is 163.146776.7 and 8.69 signals. And this is the button, Type-C charging dot, and the camera zone curve circled with its logo, asterisk, and the cloud Paris camera zone design, red light. And here is the camera, 50 megapixel Sony LYT 818 CMOS 1.28 inch. And also 50 megapixel 35mm main camera, Zeiss asterisk, and 200 megapixel Samsung HP9 sensor. So the 200 megapixel is a telephoto camera, and the front side 50 megapixel, aperture 2.45. The weight for the red one is just 232 grams. Also, we can adjust the zoom to check the details. Telephoto. Okay. Go back. So for this phone, is for the 3 main cameras, is a full range focal and no main and side cameras. And this front also 50 megapixel from 14 to 35 to 85, all range focal range covered. And also you can work with another long lens extra photograph kit. Here's the Balkan selfie. Photo. Also support the macro. (15 centimeters macro with the Samsung HP9. And also the more about the camera. You can choose low mode, pro, food, storage, a stage, so storage mode, photo, portrait, night. So we can have a quick test after the skin. Okay, the portrait.
你没看到我
portrait mode. Okay. zoom.
什么表情？明明给个表情。
Yes, not shooting now. Later I will check I will put some picture at the end of the video so you can check the details of the portrait mode. Okay. Again. Yes. Portrait. Landscape. Okay, this is landscape. Here is night, landscape and night. Also snapshot, portrait, photo, video. So for the video, here is support 4K, 8K, 1080p, 4K 30 FPS, and 4K 60, 30, 120 FPS, and also HDR and anti-shake supported. Yes, this is anti-shake. Usable ultra stabilization, the flashlight. So for the video part, it's also very powerful. So for the snapshot, landscape navigation, portrait, recording, anti-shake, panorama, underwater, full scan, all skins covered. And this video is also walking and running to testing the anti-shake and the video performance. And for the Ultra X Ultra series, it's the flagship and most powerful phone from Vivo. The straight screen. Yes, this is the video. For the big screen and details, everything. And also this time, don't forget the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, octa-core, maximum 4.32 GHz, and the GPU Android 830. Yeah, a quick testing of the camera part. This is the pre-installed applications. More walkie-talkie. Smart control is the infrared control, infrared blaster control. And here's the satellite network is both Beidou SMS. And also have some professional headline SOS flashlight. I think this is similar to the other larger phones that we already tested. Beidou SMS, professional helpline. Yes, you need the available SIM card, no available SIM card, so you need a customized SIM card. You can get a message from the satellite anywhere, anytime. You can connect to the outside world and no worry about missing and busting. Also the blue AI. And the blue chip are all applied, on developed by Vivo, are all applied in this model. So yes, this is a Vivo X200 Ultra, very simple, hands-on talking video. And at last, I'm going to show you the another main features about this device is the physical button, camera button. And with this button, you can do the camera shooting, and also you can adjust the zoom, the aperture, and the brightness. But not easy. Actually, if you use one hand, not easy to activate. So sort of activate is easy, but not to switch from the different mode, brightness, aperture, and zoom. But I like this button. And most of the flagship models from the big brands, they have the physical button for camera. Nubia, Oppo, iPhone, all of them have this button. And for the X200 Ultra, they have 3 modes to choose. I think this is pretty nice. And okay, let's attend. Waiting for more catch on here. This is quick unboxing, not so and the camera testing video about the Vivo X200, and I will put more sample pictures at the end of the video. And I hope you like my video. And let's stay tuned the video for more quick catch up from here. Bye bye. Let's enjoy it.